Hey guys, Andrew here from Change Body Transformation, and today I'm coming at you with 6 simple food substitutions that are going to help you stay under your calorie targets. The entire intention of this video is to show you how easy it is to decrease the amount of calories you're eating while giving you the maximum value from food. We don't want you ever feeling like you're on a diet. We don't want you to feel like you can't eat, foods and you can't be limited. So these substitutions are going to help you decrease your calories while still having foods that you like. The first one I've got there is we're comparing a banana to blueberries. A banana is 107 versus 54 for the blueberries. As you can see, that's half the amount of calories. It's probably about similar portion size. 100 grams is a third of the box of frozen blueberries, so I think that's pretty good. Alternately, you could have 2/3 of the box of blueberries compared to one banana. So that's pretty good. The second option we've got down here for you is pasta versus Slendia Slim pasta. Now, pasta at 125 grams, which probably isn't very much. I would probably not stop at 125 grams, but it has a lot of carbs and calories are high. You compare that to Slendia Slim pasta, which is in the health food section of both Coles and Woolies. It's called something slightly different at each. I think one's a slender slim or so forth, and this Slendia. Anyways, 12 calories. It's made out of a Chinese plant, so it actually probably doesn't taste quite as good, I'm not going to lie. But once you start mixing it with some meat, you add a bit of sauce, you can barely tell the difference. It's a great option if you're at home and you're cooking and you just want to do a simple substitution. You're cooking something different for the kids. You just throw that in. You reduce 150 calories off your day. You can save it and have it elsewhere. The third option is ice cream. When you're at home, you get out the 2-kilo tub of ice cream, you start serving up. Very, very easy to go over 100 grams worth of ice cream. Great thing about a Skinny Cow double chocolate sundae is that it is portion controlled. It means that you can only have 91. Once you finish your cup, you're done. It has about 120 compared to 200 calories. The protein is a better ratio than what the ice cream is. And you will find that you could almost have 2 of those, which is a much bigger serving size. Not that you'd have 2, but it is going to allow you for more food in the rest of the day and give you that simple substitution. The key point here is being prepared. If you are prepared and you have this at home ready to go, it means that when the ice cream comes out, you've then made a better choice. Our fourth substitution is cheese and bickies. If you had 1 slice of cheddar cheese and you had 4 Jatz biscuits, that is not very much food at all, is it? That's gone and disappeared in a second. Alternately, 4 rice thins, corn thins, whatever it is, 112 calories, much, much bigger. You could fit 4 Jatz inside a corn thin. And you're starting to realize how much of a bigger portion of food that is. You could have it with cottage cheese, Weight Watchers, other ones that are all pretty similar. You could have a quarter of the container of cottage cheese, and cottage cheese is absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's got 8 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat. So that's a perfect ratio. You could even have a little bit more of the cottage cheese than that because there's barely any calories in it. If you're having breakfast and you want bacon, the family's having 100 grams of the middle rasher of bacon, huge servings of fat. And then you throw on your simple Weight Watchers bacon or lean bacon. Again, they're all really similar. Super high protein, pretty much no carbs, no fats, and it is 40% of the calories. That speaks for itself. That's awesome. And the last one I've got here is extra lean turkey mince versus beef mince. Turkey mince is probably the leanest, and if you ask me, it has so much flavor. It tastes even better than beef mince. It's a substitution you can make, whatever you're having. If you're having spaghetti bolognese, if you're having Mexican, once you add a bit of sauce and flavor, it all tastes pretty similar. And as I said, I actually like it a whole lot more. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed my 6 simple substitutions. And if you've got any questions, feel free to drop me a line on Facebook.